guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to allow TikTok access to camera. So if you are having something like this on your TikTok and you have not actually give TikTok an access to your camera and microphone, just as it is written on my screen right here, allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone, take quick photos, record videos, or preview effect on camera. You can change preference at any time in your device. So what you have to do, you have to go to your settings just like this. You go to your settings like this, and what are you going to do in your settings? You have to search for apps. As you can see right here, click on your apps and you scroll down to look for TikTok, your TikTok app. So this is my TikTok right here. Click on the TikTok and you are going to see permissions right here. So you click on your permissions and you can see your camera. So you click on your camera and you are going to allow only while using this app. So once you click on it, you have automatically gave TikTok access to your camera. Same goes to your microphone. You do same, allow only while using this app. You click on it and TikTok now has a full permission on your camera and your mic, and this is what your TikTok will be looking like once you have done that setting. So this is what your TikTok is going to be looking like. You will now be able to use your camera properly and make videos and photos too. So this is actually how to allow TikTok access to camera. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.